Welcome to MarineMax Miami. My name is Gabe Agelan, and I'll be doing a walkthrough on this 2024 Aviara 36 Outboard. I want to start off here in the transom. As you can see, Aviara has done a great job being able to provide lots of space to walk around. They've extended the platform on both sides of these Mercury V8 300 horsepower engines. Great torque on these engines, excellent for this boat. Extremely well riding boat, gets up on plane real fast. Really does everything you need for a day boat and then more. Speaking of the day boat capabilities, I want to highlight the transom seating back here on this 36. It's got 3 bar stools as well as 3 loungers, so whenever you're anchored out, you have the ability to hang out back here, drink with friends, eat, hang out, and explore all that the boat has to offer. Opening this compartment here, Aviara has done a great job having 4 spots dedicated for your fenders, nice and tucked away. You don't need to worry about it when you're going on your day. Nice wide walk through here as well. Here, moving into the cockpit, you can see at the wet bar we've got a Kenyan grill. You do have the option for a second one here. We've opted out for the storage cooler option. Dual fridges here as well as an extra portable cooler, Aviara branded, very nice. Keep your stuff ice cold all day. Love this cockpit, very wide, lots of beam, lots of coverage from this tower as well. You do have speakers all throughout. Aviara is well known for not only their technology but the sound systems, the lighting. Boat lights up at night phenomenally. I do want to highlight this gray color. It is a cool feel touch. Even in the sun, you're going to have very, very nice temperature seats all throughout the day. Moving on to our helm, you're going to have a SIMRAD display here. Obviously, your joystick piloting system, going to make it real easy to dock. And then you're going to have your Aviara display, which controls everything from lighting, radio, bilge pumps, everything like that. They've got their own dedicated screen here. You're going to have your vessel view SIMRAD here, dedicated just for your engines. That way, this screen, you can really play around with what you want to have, what your preferences are. I want to take you into the cabin as well, show you on this 36. Great day boat, but again, if you have kids or you got bad weather, somewhere where you can go down below, hide for a little bit, get some fresh air. This boat does have the generator as well as the AC. So go down there, get some fresh air, stay as long as you need, depending on the weather. Moving forward to the bow area, again, really high gunnels from Aviara. Love how dry this boat is, how well it rides. Very safe for kids to sit up here. Windlass anchor here at the front of the boat with your dedicated controls. This is a very quick walkthrough on this 36. There's so many features. I would love to take you out on the boat. We'll show you how this boat rides on the water. Again, if you have any questions, come visit us here at MarineMax in Miami. My name is Gabe. Thank you for watching.